Hey guys, how's it going? How to check if iPhone touchscreen is working or not. So, if you want to check if your iPhone's touchscreen is working properly, follow these quick steps. First of all, unlock your iPhone and try to tap various apps and icons on the home screen. Make sure to tap different areas of the screen and open the Notes app, right? And try writing or drawing. If you can scribble or type without issues, the touch screen is responsive. Third step, you could just go ahead to the settings and go to the accessibility, right? And then go to the touch and enable touch accommodations, adjust settings and see if the screen responds as expected. If you're experiencing issues, restart your device to see if that resolves any touchscreen problems by going back to main settings. Go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, transfer or reset iPhone, and gonna reset all settings in order to fix that problem. If the touchscreen is still unresponsive after these tests, you may need to contact Apple support or visit a service center. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.